How about a little banana split salad? Woohoo! How do you like that? 3 bananas that we're gonna go ahead and slice. All right, let's put the banana in the bowl. All right, so we're gonna use the lemon from 1 full lemon, the juice, I should say, just to kind. Oh, I hope it didn't hit your eyes. So there is my just under 2 cups of strawberries. And we're gonna take the juice of the pineapple and we're gonna use that to mix in with the instant pudding. All right, 1 packet of instant vanilla pudding. And then once it starts to thicken, we're gonna fold in the whipped topping. Let's try, woo, fly. Now we're gonna add in our strawberries. We're gonna add in our bananas, pineapple chunks. Remember, we had those draining in here. Add some mini marshmallows. Yes! Let's add in some chocolate chips. Grab a Spurtle and mix it up.
That might be me. Sure.
I mean, who says no to chocolate sauce? And this is our banana split salad. Oh, come on. All right, you guys, have an awesome, awesome day. See ya.